this is the pool, and my name is Sarah, and this is the backyard. Lots of pretty daisies, everywhere. Those little dots are the daisies. Oh, some leaves. This is my garden. These are elephant ears. Back there is a garage, and those little red dots are some flowers over there. And oh, there's a spider web. See it? Well, I don't know if you can see it, but I doubt it. So this is the pool again. These are the umbrellas. Oh, they're going. Oh, these are trees. The neighbor's house. And that's my car, my little toy car. I still like to ride it sometimes. That's the air conditioning where a lot of lizards die. Well, there's an airplane there, but I can't get it. So, okay, we'll just move on. Oh, there's a bird that was flying, and now we go here. Ah, it's fine. This Daddy reading the newspaper. He says hi. And here's me, your tour guide. Me. That's Daddy again. That's the door to inside. Pool for the third time. And if you have a question, please go to sarah.com. Thank you.
Okay. Stop it.